Hey Stallions, my name is Kayla and I'm a tutor here at ABAC, and I'm going to show you how to use our TutorOcean app. So when you get to your My ABAC portal, you're going to click on our app and it's going to take you to our homepage. So the easiest thing for you to do is type in the course you need help with. So I'm going to say I need help in English 1101. So I'm going to type that in, select it, and then I'm going to press Find Host. Then I'm going to press Schedule View because I can match my schedule up with the tutor. So let's say that I'm available on Thursday in the morning. So I see that Morgan here has availability 9 to 11 on Thursday. So I'm going to click that time. I'm going to select my course, English 1101. I'm going to book an in-person session in the Carlton Center, but you can also book an online session. I'm also going to let my tutor know what I need help with. So let's say I need help with my MLA citations. So I'm going to type that in and let my tutor know exactly what I need help with. I can also attach my files, so if I have a paper that I'm working on, I can go ahead and attach it there. Then I'm going to go here and I can select how much time I need help. So there's an option for a 15-minute session, 30-minute session, 45-minute session, and an hour. So let's say I need help for 30 minutes. Morgan has availability 9 to 11, as I said, so I'm going to select a 9 to 9:30 session. So I've got that selected, and then I am going to press Book Session. You'll get an email about it, and so will your tutor.